I know when I was growing up, I saw other people go to university, but I never saw myself. I actually didn't think that I would make it this far. It's been a very long, hard road because I'm working full-time mama, and trying to study.
The opportunity is here for you. Grab it. And whether you realise it or not, you will become an inspiration to others.
Anything is possible, especially for our Māori and our Māori tamariki that kind of look and see university as te ao Pākehā. They don't see that as a Māori forum. So for me, it's really important to push my own children and all the other children that I'm working with to actually further their goals and see that it is achievable.